Hello, I'm Professor Bison, and I would like to welcome you to my course. If you're new to Valencia College, you might not know how to log into Canvas, the platform we use for the online content at Valencia. There are 3 ways to log into Canvas at least. The first way is to open a new window and type online.valenciacollege.edu. The second way is to go to the home page and click on the login link, scroll down and click on Valencia Online Canvas. And the third way is to log into Atlas. Simply click on Courses tab, and under My Courses, click on My Courses Canvas. If you go with the first 2 ways, you will need to use your Atlas username and password to log into Canvas. Once you are in Canvas, find the course and click on the sandbox. Welcome to EAP 1620. There are a few important links you should be aware of on this home page. Let's look at the menu on the left. Here's the Home button, along with the modules, grades, syllabus, and announcements. On the Canvas bar, you will need the Inbox button to check and send your emails. To go back to the dashboard with all your courses displayed, click on Dashboard. Now let's take a look at the course homepage. On the top of the page, you will see 3 recent announcements from me. If you need to read the old announcements, click on the Announcements button. Below, you see the course navigation and weekly navigation. Anytime you need to have a Zoom meeting with me, or if you have mandatory Zoom meetings, you need to go to this home page and click on the Office Hours. In this course, I will offer book discussions via Zoom once a week for 30 or 45 minutes. These meetings are not mandatory, but strongly recommended. For those meetings, you need to click on the Book Discussion button, and remember, both links will take you to Zoom, but different Zoom meetings. Once you log into the course for the first time, you will need to finish 2 modules. One is Start Here, and the second is Week 1. In the Start Here module, go over every page as they contain the important information about the course policy, textbooks, requirements, expectations, grading policy, important dates, withdrawal, no-show, makeup, and other policies. The way every module works is going from one page to the next as if you're reading a book. Many students will go to the gradebook and start finishing the assignments from there. That's the least beneficial way, as the gradebook does not contain pages with instructions and learning material. Every time you need to go to the next page, click on the Next button. This page, the course orientation page, has several tabs. Once you go over every tab, click on the Next button to go to the next page. After you finish the Start Here module, move on to Week 1. Remember, both modules are due at the end of Week 1. I'm not going over the course policies, but I will mention one piece of information. Now, if you may have noticed, some assignments have no extended time or net. Normally, each assignment in my class has an extended time date, which means you have 2 or more weeks after the actual due time to finish assignments that you haven't submitted on time due to various personal issues. Now it comes with a penalty. The highest grade you can achieve is only 80%. If you finish it by the actual due date, the highest grade can be up to 100%. However, not all assignments have the extended 2-week period. When you see net, like here or there, that means it's one of these assignments, and you either need to complete this assignment by the due date, or you will get a 0 for not doing it. Let me show you what I mean. I will click on one of the NETS assignments. If you scroll down, you will see the same date for the due date and until date. Now let's click on the assignment that has extended time. For example, here. One is the actual due date, and the second is with the extended time. Remember, you need to finish this within 2 weeks after the original due date. You will also find this video in the Start Here module if you need to watch it again. I look forward to meeting you all online soon and to a great semester.